In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Slack subscription in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to switch to a different tool or simply need to manage costs, this quick guide will walk you through the steps to ensure a smooth cancellation. First, to get started, head over to Slack's official website. Once there, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner and click on Sign In. If you've been using the Google Sign In option, go ahead and click on Sign In with Google to quickly access your account. This is a handy feature Slack offers to streamline your login process, allowing you to bypass the need to remember another password. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main Slack dashboard. This is your go-to hub for everything related to your Slack workspace. From here, direct your attention to the top left corner and click on your profile icon. This is where you can view and adjust personal settings related to your account. Once you are in the profile menu, look for the Tools and Settings option. This section is like the command center for managing your workspace preferences, and it's where you can find crucial administrative functions. So click on Tools and Settings to proceed. In the Tools and Settings menu, you'll spot the Billing tab, which might be located toward the lower section. Click on Billing to access all your subscription details and payment history. This tab contains everything you need to know about your current plans and any changes you want to make. Next, in the Billing section, locate the Overview option. Click on Overview to see a summary of your billing information, which provides insights into your subscription status and previous transactions. It's always a good idea to review this information to make sure everything is accurate before making any changes. Now, at this stage, you should see an option allowing you to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts provided to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read through any details and potential implications of cancelling your subscription. Slack might require you to provide additional confirmation, so keep an eye out for any follow-up steps. And there you have it, a straightforward way to cancel your Slack subscription in a matter of minutes. This process not only helps you manage your expenses better, but also ensures that you remain in control of your digital workspace needs. Remember, if at any point you encounter issues or have additional questions, Slack's support team is always available to lend a hand. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.